Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious egg frittata with plantain. First, ensure you have all your ingredients and equipment prepared. This recipe is simple and perfect for a hearty meal. We will start by preparing the plantains, then combine them with the eggs and other flavors. Get ready to create a flavorful and satisfying dish that's both easy to make and incredibly tasty. Now let's get those plantains ready. After peeling, slice them into nice, even rounds, about 1/4 of an inch thick. Heat a couple of tablespoons of oil in your oven-safe skillet. Once hot, carefully place the plantain slices in a single layer. Cook them for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side until they are beautifully golden brown. Remove them and set them aside for later. With the plantains prepared, it's time to mix our egg base. In a bowl, whisk 6 large eggs with 1/4 cup of milk, a pinch of salt and some black pepper. In the same skillet, sauté your diced onion until it's soft and translucent. Now, arrange those golden plantain slices evenly in the bottom of the skillet. Finally, pour the whisked egg mixture right over the plantains and onions, ensuring everything is well covered. We're almost there. Cook the frittata on the stovetop over medium-low heat for about 5 to 7 minutes until the edges begin to set. Then, carefully transfer the skillet to a preheated 375-degree Fahrenheit oven. Bake for another 10 to 15 minutes, or until the center is fully set and lightly golden. Let it cool for a few minutes before slicing into wedges. Enjoy your delicious homemade plantain frittata.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.